Adit?
Yes.
You're Adit Shrivastava. Please take a seat, Adit. Adit, what is a Patta League? I've heard of Premier League and never heard of Patta League.
Sir, actually in our college, the tennis ball cricket was called Fatta. So that was the league we were playing.
And you were the most economical bowler.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tell me, who holds the record for the most consecutive maidens in Test cricket?
Sorry, sir. I'm
No
unable to
idea.
recall.
Bapu Nadkarni, 21 against England, 1963.
Thank you, sir.
And you belong to Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
So do I. So tell me, how did Lucknow get its name? What is the most, there are number of theories, but what is the generally accepted theory?
Sir, what I have read is that Lucknow was initially Lakhanpur because of the Ramayana related domain. After that, when the Britishers came, then they actually, because of the pronunciation thing, they actually named it Lucknow. So that's how the name evolves.
And how did Lakhanpuri get its name?
Sir, I'm unable to recall the exact route in Ramayana, but it is said that that was the region which was governed by Shri Lakshman.
That's right. So, my name is Kush. How would I be related in mythological terms to Lord Lakshman?
In Hindi, you would be his Bhatija. Kush was the son of Lord Ram. So that would be Bhatija.
And who else was his son?
Love.
So, Love and Kush were identical twins.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between identical twins and fraternal twins?
Sir, identical twins is when the zygote breaks apart after fertilization, while fraternal twins is when there are two eggs or ovum released by the female and both get fertilized separately.
Very good. So, if I understand you right, the genetic makeup of identical twins should be similar, while that of fraternal should be different.
Yes, sir.
More in the nature of siblings, right? Fraternals would be more in the nature of siblings.
Yes, sir.
Good. What is happening in Israel and France? These two places, agitations are taking place in a big way, and both have some resonance with India. I want you first to tell me Israel and France, what is happening, and what is the connect with India? Why is there a resonance with what is happening in India?
Sir, I'm unable to recall the resonance factor with India. What I am able to recall is that in Israel, there were attacks happening in the Palestinian territory.
No, internally. I'm talking about internal, both the places.
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall at the moment.
You heard about judicial reforms which are being considered in Israel?
Sorry, sir.
France, what's happening in France?
Sorry, sir, I'm unable to recall at the moment.
Okay. Now, Adit, tell me something about disruptive technology.
Sir, disruptive technologies are the new age technologies which have the potential to alter the way the society is functioning, and even it will progress. For example, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, etc. So these are the disruptive technologies.
Would you say that this is an example of a disruptive technology?
Yes, sir. It is actually changing the way our social interactions are undergoing. So it is an example.
Yes. My last question to you. I give it to you as a school of thought that artificial intelligence has the potential to cause more mischief than good to human society in the long run. How would you react to that?
So I would say that artificial intelligence is actually a very good technology, and the fact that the statements hold true or not would depend on how we are meant to use the particular technology. For example, recently we saw that the ChatGPT has the capability to transform our lives in multiple ways. Like we can even streamline our various solutions related to health, etc. So if we use in a good sense, then it would be a transformative technology. We would have to make sure that there are no mischievous elements who use it in the wrong way.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.